Your StoneWorks turnkey solution begins at the plant with meticulously crafted stone veneer featuring regional character and timeless designs. Guided by our national strength and local touch philosophy, the team of artisans have built a reputation on making beautiful, natural-looking stone for homes and businesses across the country. But the product is just the beginning. When it comes to delivering the total stone experience, we know how to bring it. When you commit to partnering with StoneWorks on your next project, our entire customer support team is put into motion. Pre-construction work is complete, estimating is done, stone selections are confirmed, scheduling is established, labor is organized, and safety regimens are finalized. The entire game plan has been put into place. A team of dedicated experts are working in sync to ensure that your turnkey stone solution works in every way. The days of worrying about products, drivers, and deliveries are over. Your shipment is on its way, straight from the plant to your job site, and you've saved a ton of time. But now comes the fun part. We can't wait to install it. Now this is what really sets StoneWorks apart. With over 40 years of proven performance in the field, we're all over this. Our experts have already held talks with your designers, project managers, and supers. Qualified masons are professional, experienced, and thorough. They know how to meet timelines. They pride themselves on a safe working environment. Your project manager checks in constantly and communicates honestly while overseeing all aspects of the job. They live for this stuff. Now, your StoneWorks turnkey solution is complete. A final check. The job site all cleaned up. Smiles all around. Your single commitment to StoneWorks has resulted in multiple benefits for you. And we're not just saying it, we mean it. The final result looks amazing, yet the real beauty is how we help build your business in impactful ways. When you work with StoneWorks, you're engaging a turnkey partner that keeps your projects on time and on budget, resulting in shorter lead times and quicker closings, all with just one point of responsibility. If there's an issue, we'll fix it. If there's a problem, we'll solve it. And because we like our partnerships to last, we warranty our products for 50 years. This is what it's like to work with StoneWorks. From product selection to pre-construction, delivery to installation, and the final result. You can see why our stone solution fits builders' needs so well. Because we take pride in our work from start to finish, we install it just as beautifully as it's made.